Good morning, students. Welcome to our 7th day of digital learning together. All of our materials for the day are in our day 7 folder. Before we get to that, I want to remind you all of my office hours. So if you have a question or if you are unsure how to complete an assignment, this is where you're going to find me. Every day from 2 to 3 o'clock, I'm sitting right here in front of my computer waiting to talk to you. So if you've got a question, just go ahead and open up that link to our office hours. It's going to take you to our Google Meet. All you got to do is hit join now right here and you'll be connected to me. So if you've got questions, please take the time to come and talk to me. Today, you'll see our learning target is for you guys to continue practicing to explain how characters develop over the course of a story. 2 days ago, on day 6, you should have read and annotated the short story Thank You, Ma'am by Langston Hughes. Today, you're going to use those annotations to complete our graded formative check. So when you go into the folder today, you're going to find our warm-up discussion. I want to hear about a song that you would like to sing at karaoke and why. You'll watch your video lesson, which is this right here. And then you'll complete your graded formative check. This is formative check number 8. It looks like this. A couple things I want to talk about with these formative checks. The ones that got turned into me last week were really good at finding examples of the methods of characterization. They also did a really great job of explaining what those methods of characterization, how they developed character traits. Remember, for these character traits, we're talking about personality traits. Does the character seem happy, sad, scared, depressed, alone, frightened? Words like that. The other thing to keep in mind is that when we're dealing with the exposition of the story, that's everything that happens at the start of the story. I did see a couple of students on the assignments that they turned in when they talked about the characters' relationships use evidence from the end of the story in the exposition. So remember, exposition is the start, the resolution is the end. And in between that, we have a moment of climax where the character changes because of a significant event. So it might be easier to first start summarizing the climax, what happens in the story that changes the character. Then think about what that character was like before that event, and then how that character changes after that event. And then in your character development boxes, think about what was that character like at the start of the story in the exposition, and what was that character like at the end of the story, and how does the climax make that change for our main character? As always, if there's questions, please come and find me in my office hours. And until next time, have a great day.